Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameripay Technologies. So in this video, I'm going to explain about Python shell and Python IDLE. See, this is the continuation video of Python series. We have seen the basic things of Python like arithmetic operators and all we have completed. Now, I'm going to write some examples. So first of all, I need to download and install the Python software. It is a freeware and we can directly download and install. Right from the Google we can directly. But after installation, right, where I should write the program. How can I search? It's very simple. From all programs in your system, you need to search for a name called IDLE. First of all, what is IDLE? IDLE is nothing but one IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So what is Integrated Development Environment? A simple software or nothing but a simple app by which we can easily develop the code and run the code. That's all. So there is a software provided by the Python developers only by which we can easily develop the code. Are there any other IDEs to develop the code? Yes, so many other IDEs are there like PyCharm, Spider, so many IDEs are there. But initially we can work with this IDLE because this is the default IDE provided by the Python developers. Okay. See, as soon as you open this IDLE, whenever we click on IDLE, then what will happen? Here, it will open a shell window. Practically also I'll show you, followed by this video. Okay, it will open and here it will clearly tell that it's a shell window. So what is that shell window? Where we can execute a small commands. We cannot write programs in shell window. Simply here it will show like this. We can check the code is executing or not. For example, 10 into 20. Then you will get the output here. For example, here you can declare the variable with the value and next again is to define the variable with the value and then we are just performing the addition operation and then simply you can print that C value so that you will get the output is 30. You can do all these operations. A variable temporarily will store in the memory. After performing the operation, we can store the data, but this is not the program. Program means that you can save and whenever you want, you can run. But here, next time you cannot run this one. Then, where I can write Python programs in menu, so go to that file menu, click on new. Go to the file menu, click on new. Okay, so whenever we click on new, then one editor will open. Editor, a blank editor will open. That is, here you can write the programs. Any program, addition of two numbers, biggest of three numbers, prime or not, collection related programs, object oriented programming, graphical user interface programming, NumPy, Pandas, anything, the programs you can define here. Simple program, same addition of two numbers. Directly I am taking two variables, adding them and then printing them. That's all. No need to write any syntax, much syntax for Python programming. So this is the one, a simple code in Python. After that, here it is from the file option, you can select that save. You can save anywhere but with a .py extension. .py representing it's a Python file. So once you save, here it is a run option is there. Run, here run module option is there. You can use that run module option. Of course, we can use that functional key also F5 is a shortcut functional key F5 we can use. When you run this module, nothing but when you run this program, that output will come in a shell window. That is, If you want to check the output once again, then again you need to run. Once you write the code and once you save, it is permanent. Right? As many times you want, you can simply run by click on run module button or by press the F5 functional key. So this is just what is IDLE. IDLE is a default IDE. It's a software provided by the Python developers by which we can develop and run the applications easily. It has two windows. One is a shell and next one is editor. In shell you can execute the commands, whereas in editor you can write the programs and then run the programs. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.